In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new chat and projects in ChatGPT 2026 guide. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a long mixed chat history, projects are your best friend. They let you group related conversations so every idea and iteration stays exactly where it belongs. We'll walk through accessing your projects, starting a fresh conversation that's automatically scoped to the right place, making your chat titles more useful, and keeping everything easy to find later, plus a quick security reminder to keep your data safe. First, head to the left-hand sidebar on your ChatGPT dashboard. Think of this as your central navigation hub. In that panel, you'll see your list of projects. This list is where you keep themes like web development, content strategy, research, or anything else you're actively working on. Storing related chats here keeps you from digging through a cluttered general history and keeps context intact as your work evolves. Next, choose the project where you want your new conversation to live. Click the project name to open that workspace. Before you type anything, pause for a moment and confirm you're in the right spot. A quick glance at the project name at the top ensures the new chat will be saved under the correct organizational category. This tiny check saves time later and prevents cross-project mix-ups. Now it's time to create the chat. Inside the project workspace, go to the text input field at the bottom. Type your first message and press enter. That's it. There's no separate new chat button here. Your initial prompt automatically creates a new chat entry inside the selected project. You'll see the thread appear in the project's list, ready for you to continue the conversation. To make that chat easy to recognize later, be descriptive with your first prompt. The system often uses your opening message to auto-title the thread, so front load the key, action, and topic, like generate a Python script for web scraping, or outline a landing page for a SaaS product. Clear phrasing now pays off when you're scanning your project for the right thread next week. As you continue working, every message you exchange in this thread stays scoped to the project you selected, keeping your research, drafts, and iterations organized. When you're ready to return, open the left sidebar, choose the project, and select the chat from the list to pick up exactly where you left off. Finally, a quick security reminder. Avoid putting sensitive personal or corporate information into your prompts. Stick to the technical or creative details you actually need.